Alright, yeah, welcome back. So in this class, I'm going to show you how to edit your photo using Canva. Alright, so I'll just go over to my Canva. So to be very fast, I will just click on this. This is my recent project. These are the work I've done with Canva. So I'll click on this untitled design. Though I can go over to create. Alright, I can go to create new, but I'll just go over to my project. No need to create new project because I already have enough project that I'm using for teaching. So I'll click on this one. So once you open up, right, so once you open it, you can see it's empty. So that's why I want to use it, because it's an empty page. So now we need to add image, because we want to edit our image. So I'll come here and click on camera roll. I click on camera roll. I just pick one of this image. So let me pick this one. So mind you, image, not video, right? Image. So I'll pick this one and click on add to page, and there is going to be added. Let me try and so you hold it by the corner and drag it. Right, hold it by the corner and drag it. Now the image is very bold. Now you can see this image has it has background. Now I want to remove this background. To remove background, you need to come to background remover. You can see this background remover, this PG remover. Now mind you, you need to have a premium Canva. You need to have a premium version of Canva for you to do this. All right, so I'll come to remove BG. So this remove BG that I click, BG remover. You can see that in just 3 seconds, your background is gone. Your background is gone. Okay, you can see this image. All right, background is gone. I can see this image is just the way it is. So I can click on this image and come here and click on adjust. Adjust, and all right, I can come here and click on temperature. Temperature is the look of the image. All right, you can see the temperature is currently at the middle, is 0. So I can come here and drag it to the left. You watch the image, it has lightened the image up. All right, so I reduce the temperature. If I increase the temperature, you can see how this image look like now. So you make the person to be bright, okay, like, look fairer. This is a dark person actually, so you can make the person to look fairer as well. Let me just take it back. All right, so let me go back to adjust. Now take it back a little bit. Now here we have, as you can see, we have this adjust. So we just worked on the temperature. Let me take it back. I think it's more beautiful like this. You can compare it to what this and this. I think I prefer it like this. All right, I prefer it's more light and look real like this. So I'll take it back. So you can actually edit images before you design on Canva. You can edit the image before you use the image to design on Canva. Very important. So it's not only design that you make use of Canva for. You can actually edit your image. Now these things, let's see what happened with things. You can see things. All right. So now you apply this effect the way you want the image to be, right? You apply this effect the way you want it to be. So now I think I prefer it this way. So let's come to brightness. Brightness, take it back. You can see how dark it is. Take it to the front like this. Yeah, I think it's perfect like this. You can see. Now let's come to contrast. Contrast, reduce your contrast, or you can increase your contrast. I think reducing it is better. All right. Now this image is not the way it used to be. Let's go to highlight. Let's see. So you may not have to apply everything. Okay. I'm just applying everything for test purpose. But you can see that this image is finer than the one we uploaded. It's 100% final. So you can come here. You can see the effect of reducing it. Increase it. It's too bright. Take it back. Think a little bit. It's okay like this. So you just, now these shadows. Now adding shadow to your image. All right. Shadow. You can see the effects. All right. Adding shadow is better than removing the shadow. Adding shadow, it makes the hair look darker. Just see the effect. Now the hair is very bright. Now the hair is darker. All right. This is better. So these white particles, you want to brighten it. All right. This make it black. So all this effect, you don't really need to apply all the effect, like I said. This vibrant, right? Too much editing can spoil your image. So we're just adding all the effects so that you see what it's capable of. This can make it black and white. You want the image to be black and white, so we can come back, bring it here. That's not good. I think this is okay like this. Color editing, right? You can say invert color. You don't really need to do that, but if you want to, you can just click on this. You can see invert color, right? So invert color. Color is inverted. So like I'm going to undo that. Go back to normal shapes. This is the sharpness. So the sharpness of the image. Take it back. Or we can increase it. Okay, sharpness is okay like this. Now, don't forget, you don't need to apply all these features because too many features might not be okay for you. So you just look for the particular one that is better for you. So we need to use all the features. This clarity, you can see how, right? It clears the image. Now, this only work when the image is not clear. You can see it helps to clear your image. Right? This vet night, you can take it back, you can bring it to the front. You see the effects now. All right, take it a little bit. So this is all for today. So you can actually use your Canva to edit your images, not only CapCut or QuickCut. All right. If you have Canva on your phone, you can use Canva to edit your image. And what you need to do is to, if you want to save it, you just come here and click on this button, and then you see share, say download. Here you can decide how you want to download it, either in JPEG, PDF. You can decide to save in PDF format, SVG format. They say this is best for web design and animation. You can save it as MP4, high quality video, GIF, short clip, no sound, a Microsoft PowerPoint document. So you can save it anyhow you want it. All right. Even so, you can pick the size that you want. All right. You can increase the size of the, which will make the size of the image to be very very strong and big. So you click on download, and then here you can download what you have edited so far. So is that easy? Okay, is that easy? So that's how you save. Once you are done editing, that's how you save. So in our next class, I'm going to look deep into using Canva to edit. All right. So make sure you stick to what I've been taught here. Make sure you try to practicalize what you have learned here. So I'll see you in my next class.